Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Natalia and today I am gonna talk about Agile methodology, what Agile means and how you can implement it in your software project. This is very popular interview question, and also if you would like to start your career as a software tester, it's something you most likely will end up working in, and it's very popular right now on the market. I would say 80 to 90% of software development projects are working in Agile methodology. Agile is fast-paced methodology compared to Waterfall. In Waterfall, everything done slowly. It's following the stages the same as SDLC process, and each stage is separate stage. It takes time, and the projects do not move to the next stage until the previous stage is completed. This is opposite of Agile, and it's called Waterfall. And when we talked about Agile, it's a fast-paced methodology. That means any stage of SDLC can be completed in short time. We can go back and forward from one stage to another. We can change requirements in the middle of delivery. We can adjust requirements. We can make new. We keep developing feature by feature. We're testing this functionality, and it's very active. It's cross-team methodology. Everyone participates in the meetings. There are 12 principles of Agile. The most important are interaction with the client and constant change of the requirement based on the client need. It's also constant delivery piece by piece of product to the end users. It's a lot of collaboration between business people and development team about the product to learn from each other. We also deliver working software frequently. Agile often implemented with a Scrum. Scrum is a subset of Agile. It has specific rules. Scrum is very popular. Also we have Kanban, which also popular for Agile methodology. The Scrum and Agile will have different meetings, and it will have a Scrum team. The Scrum team contains multiple roles. Another keyword you're gonna hear when you talk about Agile is product backlog. Product backlog means all requirements you need to deliver, such as user stories. It will contain all defects. And another keyword is Spring backlog. The Spring backlog will contain a list of stories which comes from product backlog, and this specific story will be delivered in specific amount of time. And that amount of time called sprint. So when we talk about Scrum methodology, we're working in sprints. Sprints means period of time from 2 to 4 weeks. We have 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks sprints. Sprint contains multiple stages, and it's kind of like SDLC stages, starting from requirement analysis, grooming of the requirements. Developers gonna deliver the code, testers gonna test that code, and by the end of each sprint, you need to deliver the end product, which can be pushed to the production. And also in Agile, you will hear keywords epic. Epic means it's combination of multiple stories which complete the one big functionality. It's very popular to call it features. Each functionality, for example, search functionality can be one feature. Logging functionality can be another feature, and so on. User story is description of the requirements. And I discussed the Scrum Agile methodology. There's also another popular subset of Agile is Kanban methodology. Kanban follows a similar structure, the similar ceremonies as the Scrum. The biggest difference between Scrum and Kanban that Kanban do not have sprints. It means it do not have time limited boxes when you need to deliver something. In Kanban, usually it's from 0 to 1 month, from 1 to 3 months, and from 3 to 6 months, delivery of bigger functionality. Of course, in Kanban, when we work in Kanban, our epics will be very big, our features will be very big, because we don't have 2 or 3 weeks to deliver it. And as a tester, when you work in Agile, specifically when you work in Scrum methodology, if you're automation tester, make sure that you do in-sprint automation. That means all stories you receive during your sprint, you're gonna automate the stories in the sprint period. You're not gonna leave them behind, because it's very bad practice, and with the time you're gonna have a big amount of stories you did not automate. That's why it's very important to manage your time wisely. That's it about Agile today. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in my next video.